Oh yeah.
6:35.
Open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little baddie now. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm
Louis in my cup, Louis on my clothes, Louis smoking gabagoo, we pass that pick and roll. My white TV so crisp, look like the French tips on the toes. All my money straight, so I mean they never fold. I'm back on shit they thought was hard, I pass on, bitch, I'm Dre, I get my Mac on. If that ass is fat, I last long. Found solace and promises, kept by bitches who swallowing. All my kids, they keep gobbling, right for who they keep hollering. A&Rs with the silences, shot for us, but we silence. Some niggas hate, but they want be us. Jealousy be so fond of us, presidential.
Good morning, guys. Currently 7:02 right now. I'm not even tired no more. Usually I always start by saying I'm literally so tired, but I'm not tired. I got out the shower, brushed my teeth and stuff, made up my bed. I'm pretty much wide awake. I'm gonna get ready for school right now because I already showered. And yeah, my outfit is always usually packed the night before for any inconvenience, so I don't have to be looking for outfit because it takes time. So today I'm gonna wear this black shirt and some cargos and probably my knee balancers because I love them so much. I'm gonna do my hair, but I'm really trying to like rush through this because making content and then getting ready for school, I'm already late to school all the time, so making content is just gonna make me more late, so I'm trying to be quick. So it's gonna have like a really good day today. It's just what we're gonna put into the air. Yeah, y'all, let's get ready for school. I'm gonna stop talking and we're just gonna keep getting ready, but make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to become a baby. So much coming on this channel, y'all. This is just the beginning. So yeah, let me put on my clothes. I'm about to rub some lotion. Let me show y'all what I'm about to rub though. I'm gonna rub it's this apple cinnamon champagne. Let me flip the camera. Apple champagne and honey body butter from Bath and Body Works, and I'm literally in love. And excuse my nails, I need them done, but they're just not. But it smells so good. It smells like sweetness, apple, cinnamon, like just that little strawberry champagne hit.
Can't be it yourself, I seek validation. Gotta learn to let go, that's infatuation. I said, can't be it yourself, I seek validation.
Cargos. These are the cargos I'm wearing right now. They look really big, but they're not that big. I got them from Shein. And I'm gonna wear this black crop top. I hate wearing two different blacks. Like, y'all can tell this is two different blacks, but hopefully it doesn't look different on me. This crop top, and it used to go with these leggings, but I made a hole in the leggings, so I'm so sad. They're my favorite kind. But I'm gonna put these on and get back to you. The one thing I hate about these cargo pants is that when I'm not sucking my stomach in, this is what it do. I'm like, ew, hello. So I'm literally just gonna unzip it. It'll be okay. Ignoring the pink stuff on my lips, it's the lip mask. It eventually goes away and it just makes my lips taste and smell really good. So yeah. What time is it even? I don't even know what time it is, y'all. We just vibing. This is the body mist I use. It's Desert Sky. It smells great. And then this is the perfume that I use. It's a brand by Ariana Grande, but I just forgot the name. This is the dupe of it. If y'all want a perfume collection, let me know. This is the dupe, and then this is the real thing. The real thing smells 10 times better, but they both smell great. So yeah, and I was using that dupe to the ground because it's pretty much almost done. But I sprayed the perfume on my neck. Yeah, I have a big thing for earrings now. I used to be the type of girl, like, I don't really wear earrings. Like, I have my ears pierced. Oh, when do I have my ears pierced? So when I got my belly pierced, people was like, oh, you got your belly pierced before your ears? And it's like, hello, I've been had this done. Didn't know because I just don't like to wear earrings, but now I do. Oh, and that's the reason why I wasn't wearing earrings, because my ears were allergic to like fake gold and like fake silver, so that's how you know I'm just bougie. Now I'm about to get to like skincare though and makeup. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. from M15, so I gotta get going, but I'm pretty much done because I'm not wearing makeup today. But I haven't really been wearing makeup because my skin, My skin basically just needed a break. I would be wearing makeup like for the first and second week of school. Once that third week of school hit, I said no. My skin said no. We just all said no collectively. So we don't do that no more. And y'all can see my lashes are literally like hanging on by a thread. And I'm not even taking them off. They'll come off on their own because I'm scared to get like lash remover. So the e.l.f. brow lip, that's what I use, and it's really good. Yeah, so the only thing I do nowadays is just do my brows, bro, and put like primer on. I don't know, but I'm set. Or sometimes I just do my brows. Top, pants. And then to complete the look, I'm gonna wear a beanie when I do my hair. So yeah. So this is the wig. As y'all can see, it's been through a lot of stuff with me, and we're about to put it back on my head again. You know, my sister, she's in the back doing what she gotta do for school. But I really like the comfortability. This bonnet, this, I'm just gonna like wet the front, wet the back, and put it on my head. I don't even have to put the wig on for real, because this beanie just comes in check. Like, and I get my hair done this weekend, so not too much on me. Okay, I have this Marc Jacobs bag. I'm debating if I should wear it or not. I don't know if I should. I'm just about to do my lip combo, and then we're about to be set for school. Okay guys, we just gotta come in my sister's room because it's always so sunny and beautiful in here. But yeah, let me show you guys what the outfit's looking like. Ew, there's like a bug on the window and it looks so nasty. Let me show y'all. Like, what the heck? Okay guys, so this is the outfit. So we have this hoodie. This hoodie is just so I don't get dress coded, but this hoodie's coming off. The hoodie, crop top. The belly piercing is a part of the outfit, by the way. Self easy. Cargos. And then I'm debating if I want to wear my New Balances or not. Or my Yeezys. Hold on, guys. I've been wearing my New Balances literally every day because they're just so cute and they match with every outfit. And I think I'm about to do that again when I see like beanie, the Telfar, and then the shoes. Yeah, we're just gonna have to wear the shoes. So now I'm about to go to school. So if you made it to this point of the video, I want to say thank you so much. Yeah, I maybe should have brought my toe, but we're not doing that today because my toe was broken and it's ugly. So yeah, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to become a baby, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.